Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna make a border. You can see here when I'm clicking right button, then player is going inside. When I will make a border, then player will not go inside. Okay, now let's see how to make a border. Before begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video you will be updated. Okay, now let's get back to the video. Click on add a new object and click on sprite and type here border. Click on add an animation, edit with p scale. Now I have to resize this work area. Its width will be 8 and height 32. Click on resize and type here object name border. Click on save and click on apply. Now change its background color. Right click and click on scene properties and click on this color and select any of color. Click on OK. Now drag this border Okay, so now go to events, add a new event, add a condition when border will collision with player, collision and player. Click on OK. Add action player and select separate object. Here object will be border. Click on OK. When border is in collision with player, then player will move from border. Only player will move. Okay. Now let's preview it. Click on preview button. When I'm clicking right button, then player is not going inside. Okay. You can see here. But here you can see border is also looking. Okay. I'm gonna hide this border. Go to menu and drag this background little bit here. Okay. Now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Yeah, here we go. You can see it. Everything is looking good. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.